Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Brine. This is a possible airdrop powered by Starkware. They have been raising 16.5 million in funding for very important venture capitalists, and this is a gasless and instant trade DX. Like always, we are going to cover a little bit about the project, and then I'm going to tell you exactly the step-by-step on how you can participate and be part of this possible airdrop. Remember to go to my website, and in the video section you can see all the different airdrops that I have been covering for the last months. Many of these are still active, so you can participate on many other airdrops. And if you really want to make a change on your life, you need to subscribe to my private Discord and my application if you want to be an airdrop hunter. These two tools are going to help you a lot on this path. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Well, Brine is a multi-chain DX from Starkware, providing privacy through zero-knowledge proof technology. And Brine tackles some of the most important challenges holding back institutional and mainstream user adoption in DeFi. The project attracted 16.5 million from Panther Capital, Starkware, the Spartan Groups, etc. The SAL token, it is official confirmed in the project documentation. And they have what it looks a points to tokens conversion. So doing this step, it's very possible you will earn those points that will be SALT tokens later, besides many other announced prices. In the website you are going to see other prices in the form of USDC, merge and another stuff, but has been rumors that the same points can be converted into tokens at some point. It's not confirmed, we are speculating on that. So now let's go to the step-by-step. This is a very quick and direct video. The step 1, follow them on Twitter or X. You are going to need that because you need to do social tasks. The second point, follow them on Discord. Remember that many things about this project are happening in Discord, so you have your general channels to discuss that, you have the price channels and many other things. So check the Discord for this project, the official links and announcements, so you are up to date. Right now they have been running a trading competition, but that is almost over. I think tomorrow is over, so I don't think you can enter already into that. But that is besides the airdrop. They are doing many other stuff that you need to keep on track in their Discord. Step 3, go to the link below here on the step 3 to the application of Brine. So click here the link, and from the application you can go here and connect your wallet. I'm going to use my MetaMask. Here you need to click this toggle in order to validate that you are human. Sign the request transaction. And now you can see I am already logged in here. And from here you have in your left side your panel. So this is your homepage panel. Be sure that you are in mainnet. They have the testnet here if you want to try it. But the things that you need to do are in mainnet. So if you want to trade here, you are going to spend real money. So now step 4, you can go to the wallet tab, click deposit, then select the token amount that you want to deposit and click on confirm. So here you can see total balance is 0, so click here on deposit. You can select the asset that you want to deposit from this list, and the networks right now here are Ethereum or Polygon, so you can select one of those. And here you can put the amount of Ethereum, for example, from this wallet that you want to move. And once you are comfortable with the amount, you can confirm the Ethereum deposit and move the funds into the application. Remember to just move enough to use the application, but just keep your funds on your MetaMask and only the ones that you want to trade using it here. And the step 5 is now you need to start farming SALT points. There are 3 ways to do this, basically: interacting with the blockchain, trade more often, be active on their Discord. If you want more information, you can go to the website, to that link, go to the SALT score, and here you can see a lot of things that are related on how you can get these SALT tokens, even the frequently asked questions, so check that if you want to know more. But basically you have the trade section, you can select the pair for trade here. So one recommendation that I will tell you is, if you want to trade any of these tokens for USDC, for example, you can do it here. And that is going to create volume and trade transactions that could help you on this airdrop. I don't think that it's a good idea to do it specifically for the airdrop. So if you find out in the need of doing it because you have USDC and you need ARB tokens or any of these tokens or vice versa, then you can ping this application into your bookmark. So you use this instead of, for example, Uniswap. So you will get the possible airdrop using it here. But we already took a lot of time doing this on Bela Exchange and the airdrop was really bad. So I will not spend money particularly on trading volume and generating transactions only for the airdrop. I would recommend you to do it only in an organic way when you need to trade something, or if you're a trader you can then use this. The other things like be active on the Discord is not going to cost you any money, so be sure to review their Discord, they have a lot there and you have more in the website. So that is basically how you get those tokens. Then step 6, you can go to the SALT score tab and calculate your SALT score. You just go to SALT score. Here you have more information how to earn SALT. You also can refer friends, and here you have some of the announced prices. Remember that we are speculating that this is going to help us also to maybe get the token when they launch it. The token was confirmed, but it's not launched yet. And when you click there, you can see that my SALT score is 100 only, and this is your rank. So you need to still keep doing stuff in order to get more SALT rewards. And step 7 is you have here the link to the Zealy. They have a lot of tasks here in the Zealy. You know guys, you are already tired to get Zealy tasks. I will not force you to do anything of this, but this probably could help you in this kind of airdrop, which is really community driven besides the transactions. So if you are really serious doing this airdrop, then you will want to do this task. Most of them are only retweet and social stuff. If you are farming airdrops and you have those kind of accounts, this could be easy for you. So those are the steps to participate on Brine. This is mainnet lab powered by Starkware. Right now you can connect using Ethereum mainnet. So doing all that, you may want to participate not only on the official prices, but in this speculative airdrop that has been hinted on the Discord. Besides that, there's not much to add here. Remember to go to my video section on my website. I have been covering many other airdrops. Arbitrum Airdrop 2, this is a very important video. We did thousands of dollars on the beginning of this year in my Discord with Arbitrum. Almost all of my followers on my private Discord. Remember, I have a private Discord and an application subscription. This is an app that I created to apply easily and get all your airdrops organized in a single place. Even if you are farming multiple airdrops, my app is going to help you a lot. So all my followers did a lot of money on Arbitrum, and here you have many other airdrops and videos that are going to help you a lot. For example, why I'm still buying Gala tokens, and many other reviews for the Optimism airdrop, Zeta chain, starknet airdrop strategy, and much more. So go to the video section. You even can search a particular airdrop if you want. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.